Given that p equals x minus y, find p when x is 3 and y is 9. So this means that we need to substitute in, so x is now 3, so this 3 needs to go into here, and y is now 9, so this 9 needs to go into here. So let's rewrite that out. X is 3 and y is 9. So it's 3 take away 9, which is going to be -6. Okay, same thing, but now it's changed to x is 3, that's the same, and y is -9. So I'm going to rewrite out the equation. P is equal to x minus y. X is 3, y is -9. So the 3 is going to go into where the x was, and the -9 is going to go into where the y was. So that's going to be 3 minus -9, because we put the 3 into here, minus, and then the -9 into here. Now remember, you're taking away a bad thing. If I took away a detention from you, you'd be happy. That's a good thing. So I change it to the good symbol. 3 add 9 is 12. So very similar questions, but very different answers.